Hello guys, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'm gonna show you display settings on phone Google Pixel, so let's start. So at first you need to click here to open the settings and then find option which is called display and touch right here, click. And as you can see, we have a lot of different options right here. For example, we can change brightness level right here, like this. Adaptive brightness, switch on or switch off this function right here. Then screen timeout, for example, you can choose whatever you like. Then we can choose dark theme if you want, like this. And for example, change night light, colors, color contrast, and etc. guys. So if you like this video and if you like our channel, please subscribe and see you later guys. Bye bye.